Your Zendesk SLA says 4 hours for first reply, but when a customer's payment just failed and they're staring at a blank screen, 4 hours feels like you've abandoned them. The fix is not just setting SLA targets, it's setting the right targets for each priority level. Here's exactly how to do it. An SLA policy is a commitment your team makes to customers, with a countdown clock attached. Without one, you're relying on gut feel to know if response times are acceptable. Priority-based SLAs solve this by acknowledging that not every ticket deserves the same urgency, because they genuinely do not. Zendesk ships with 4 priority levels, and each one signals a fundamentally different customer situation. Urgent means your user is blocked right now and operations may be down. Low means they flagged something for whenever you get to it. The gap between these is not a matter of degree. It requires completely different response commitments. Urgent tickets are the drop everything category: system outages, security breaches, anything preventing critical business operations. Target 15 minutes for first reply and resolve within 2 to 4 hours. High priority covers broken features affecting multiple users or billing blocks. Aim for a first reply within 1 hour and resolution within 8 to 24 hours. Normal priority handles the bulk of your volume: general questions, how-to requests, and non-critical bugs. A first reply target of 4 to 8 hours is standard, with resolution in 24 to 72 hours. This is also where switching to business hours matters most. A Friday evening ticket on calendar hours will breach over the weekend, even if no one on your team is supposed to be working. This chart makes the contrast clear. Each priority level carries its own distinct time commitment, and they are not interchangeable. Urgent at 15 minutes and low at 24 hours are operating on entirely different scales, which is exactly the point. Zendesk offers 7 metrics for measuring SLA performance, but you do not need all of them. Most teams run effectively on just 2 or 3. First reply, time and requester. Wait time cover the most common needs. The remaining 5 serve specific workflows like long-running tickets or internal workload tracking. First reply. Time is the most widely used metric because it directly tackles the moment of customer anxiety, the wait after submitting a ticket. Requester. Wait time is the fairest metric for resolution SLAs because it pauses the clock whenever a ticket is in pending status. If your customer goes quiet for 3 days, those 3 days do not count against your team. This is the metrics configuration screen inside Zendesk Admin Center. For each metric you enable, you enter separate time targets for urgent, high, normal, and low. You also choose between business hours and calendar hours at this level, and that decision compounds significantly across a week of tickets. Setting up a working policy takes 6 steps. Navigate to Admin Center, then Business Rules, then Service Level Agreements. Create a policy with a specific name, define conditions to target the right tickets, enter your time targets per priority, and order your policies with the most specific rules at the top, because Zendesk applies them from top to bottom and stops at the first match. Finally, test with real tickets and add the SLA countdown columns to your agent views. Setting targets is step 1. Consistently hitting them under real volume is a different problem entirely. Eesel AI plugs directly into Zendesk and resolves routine tickets the moment they arrive. Password resets, order status, common FAQs, driving first reply time to near 0 for those cases. For complex tickets, the AI Copilot drafts a response from your knowledge base, so agents review and send rather than write from scratch, cutting resolution time without cutting quality. Every missed SLA is a small erosion of customer trust, and the teams that consistently hit their targets do not just have better policies. They have the right tools absorbing volume that would otherwise break those policies. Try eesel AI free for 7 days and see what near-perfect SLA compliance actually looks like.